people are straddling, they're like this.
Yeah.
They want all the answers right now, and it doesn't happen like that. Some things you have to come and you have to experience. At first, I was selling plots to people. What I found is people are building and not coming here. So now it's like, unless you're ready to be on the ground, like there's lands outside that you can build and you can use it as a holiday home. But for here, it's like I want people that want to be here now, and we can help them do that. But if it's like, you know, well, I'm not sure, what about this and what about that? You can live exactly how you want to live here. If you want hot water, if you want whatever you want, you can live better than what you live in the West. The amount that you pay for your rent, you could build a house here. Like, so when people come, and another thing is this, the Ghanaian ways are different. You know, there is corruption, there is bribes, there is all of that. But in America,
it's worse.
They tax you twice because they do it in front of your face.
Twice? How about
People
3,
are
4
fine
times?
with it. Yeah, so if that is the mentality of the people to where they've been so brainwashed to say, in America it's this and in America they have you in cages and you just don't know it because you haven't been outside of your cage.
That's the word.
You know, it's like you do experience things here, but it's nothing compared to what you experience over there. And when you come back, you are home. The way they walk around and can feel secure and everything is because it's for them. This is for us. And you can have all of that here. You can live in mansions, you could do what you want if you could afford it. But yeah, you just have to know, you have to make a choice.
Absolutely.
And the ancestors will help you, and that's the thing.
Absolutely. So the goal is to take people around the country so people can see and feel different aspects of the country.
Exactly.
And feel different experience, because the experience in Accra is always going to be different from Kumasi, Cape Coast,
you
and
have
so
to be
on.
real with yourself. If you need Accra, go to Accra. You know, Accra has malls and it has things that may help your mind to adapt. But then you have Cape Coast. Some people like the coastal areas. There's something for everybody. It's only if you're serious.
Exactly, just like myself, I want to be up here with you getting away. To the point where the National Guard can't even find me.
There? Yeah. Your land is right.
Oh, so it's right there?
Yeah. Let's go see. Let's go see. Yeah, it's good.
So yeah, I remember seeing the mountains back.
Yeah.
So it's actually ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I thought it was like that way.
Well, there is one that way as well, but we're going to see this one because the people that may be interested in land, there's land that way, but you may like it as well.
Perfect. So you ready to take us on a walk?
Yeah. But you're coming.
All right, hopefully everybody got their walking shoes on. We're going to be doing a whole lot of walking for the next 30 minutes. And this is one of the beautiful guest rooms here on Benue Village. And family, you're looking at ecology at its finest. You're looking at a getaway. You're looking at a repatriation opportunity of a lifetime. And we're giving you a nice feel, a nice view. Family, our sister Nunet is a true pioneer. Someone who have just went above and beyond and is sharing with us one of the greatest experiences of an opportunity of a lifetime for us to live in an environment to where we can build our future and be sustainable and not be focused on this urbanization